Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So now a few things can easily cause your air conditioner not to blow cold air. Number one thing, guys, okay, AC pressure switch. Bad AC pressure switch, low refrigerant, low freon. Number 3, bad AC compressor, bad AC compressor clutch, or bad AC compressor solenoid. Always check radiator fan too. Bad radiator fan can cause your air conditioner not to work as well. Blend door actuator is quite common as well, guys. Blend door actuator is the one that mixes hot and cold air inside for the climate control. Now, let's explain about fuses that you need to check. You need to open the hood, always check these fuses before you do anything else, guys. In front of the windshield on the passenger side and behind the shock tower you have one trim cover. Remove it, you get to a fuse box. Once you open the cover there, you get to a fuse box and a layout that will look just like this one right here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's important to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, we'll need to check a couple fuses that are always towards the windshield side. This is the front of the BMW, passenger side, driver side. Now, even if you have a missing fuse, you need to count that spot. You start with fuse 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33. Fuse number 33, guys, very important fuse that you need to check. You will need to check fuse number 56, that last 5M fuse right here, 56. Then you need to open the passenger side in the footwell compartment. You have that kick panel plastic here under the glove box. Remove it. If you don't know how to, we have a video that explains how to do that on our channel. Here you're going to come and count fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That 10 fuse here will need to be checked as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.